Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install Xampp on your PC. For those that don't know, Xampp is used to install WordPress files and HTML files on your local storage as well as run PHP files. So let's get right into it. Click the Xampp installation button. I already downloaded it. Now you're gonna see this at the beginning. Just click OK. Click Next. Use the default settings. Click Next. Then this is the place where it's installed. Click Next, then click Next again, and then after you're done installing it, I'm just gonna skip ahead. Now once you're done installing it, simply click Finish. Now choose your language, click Save. Now Xampp should open up. Now simply click Start on the Apache and MySQL, and this should work most of the time, but sometimes see these ports, they might not be empty, and you can check it right here. Like these are all the processes that use these ports. So if it's not empty and it doesn't work, you can simply just change the config file. So let's say I want to change the port 80. So click config, go to Apache httpd.conf and find the number 80 and change listen to 8080 for example, and the server name localhost to 8080 as well, and simply click save and just reset this thing and start it again, and now the ports will change. I'll just turn this back to 8080 again. Now if you click the admin button, you'll go straight into the localhost, or you can just type in localhost in your web browser. Go to phpMyAdmin, and here you can find all the databases inside your PC, and that's pretty much it. Now if you want to create an offline website, simply go to Xampp, go to htdocs, and here you can create any file and just call it. Click the file, go to new, make a new index.html, index.html, and simply go to localhost /file/index.html, and that should work. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time.